My kid is a beginner, he doesn't know anything about it. That we know. And few other parents are saying how a kid can learn and how a kid can build. And few other parents are saying, is it sufficient? 15 days is sufficient to learn robotics in 30 hours? A lot of parents are asking, in 15 days they will learn, they will take back a robot kit to their home, but after that what? Hello educators and parents. The beginners robotic program in the summer robotic camp, what we are doing, and a lot of people have questioned what is this beginners robotic program, and a lot of parents are also asking, what is the outcome? Why should I learn robotics? If my kid will learn robotics, what will do? And other parents are asking, my kid is a beginner, he doesn't know anything about it. That we know. And few other parents are saying how a kid can learn and how a kid can build. And few other parents are saying, is it sufficient? 15 days is sufficient to learn robotics in 30 hours? Let me clarify all your doubts and all your questions. My dear friends, this particular program have been designed for the young, beautiful minds, those who are into class 2 to class 5. So they are very new. So we'll introduce them with the basics of robots, the fundamentals of robots. We'll show them what are the robots exist in the world and the current robotic trend. Then we'll take them building some projects. The first project could be an obstacle avoidance robot. The second project will be a line follow robot. So they will start working with IR sensors and a relay, logic gates, and step by step they will learn more about the program. So in this entire 15 days we will be teaching them the fundamentals of electronics, the application of each and every electronic component, whatever they will be using in their development board. We have a special design development for them, and they will build more and more on the top of it. They will build minimum 10 to 15 projects during this 15 days. But after that, what? A lot of parents are asking, in 15 days they will learn, they will take back a robot kit to their home, but after that what? After that what? Nothing. Your students will be part of SakRobotix, student innovator program, and they will stay in touch with us. And throughout the year, we promise that we will, groom them, nurture them, and we will keep them, involved with robotics, so that they can become a better robotics in future. And along with robotics, as I already told, they will learn future skills. All the best. Looking forward to have your kids and students in our summer robotic camp.